Today's tech tip gonna be maintenance on Trilectron 90T400SLN. So we're basically doing maintenance on it. So we got our oil pan catcher. Just loosen up a plug that's down there, because this one has a hose connected to the oil pan. You just unplug it from the bottom, and that's pretty much it for the oil to drain. So we'll be replacing the oil filter, the air filter, which is here. Let's see how bad it is. Give it a sweep with a rag just to take out all the dirt. We'll be installing the new one. Install the cover back on. Now we're doing another job on this as well, up here in the front. We're replacing the oil seal. But I'll show you guys on another video. So this is the secondary fuel filter, and this is a coolant filter. The primary fuel filter is down here. So you gotta replace that one. This one we just replaced, and then double checking the coolant level after we're done with the maintenance section, and then making sure the plug's tight so it doesn't leak any oil. And then like double check all the connections and all that stuff, just to make sure everything is connected right. Now the plug in this unit, we're going to be replacing also the belt. It's already a little worn out, so we're just going to replace it. And then the plug, the output plug, this one we got to replace the head. This plug actually is a Skyco plug. This one you can just replace the outer plate. We do carry these in stock, so if you need one, let us know, contact us. And yeah, that's pretty much the maintenance part of it. This concludes our video for today. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tip videos on GSE.